everyone, let us make some salad today which we can have in between as a snack or before you have your lunch. So we will make it with beans, that is rajma, more of a Mexican salad. Let us begin with the procedure. The ingredients that I require are lemon, 1 lemon, a few bok choy leaves which I have cut the leaves separate and the base separate. Then some mushrooms, red chili, little spicy one tomato, and I am going to boil some rajma, that is kidney beans, the red ones. Now in a pan, put some butter, half a teaspoon, and to this you add 4 to 5 chopped garlic pieces. Now to this you add all the salads that I have chopped and kept. Actually, you can put them raw also after washing them thoroughly, but because of this corona in the air nowadays, I am going to heat up everything, not eat anything raw. So I am giving it a little, very light, little heat I am going to give it, and then pour it into the salad bowl. Keep on stirring it so that they don't soften up. I just want to heat them. Stir fry. I have boiled some rajma, a small katori with little bit of salt, and I am going to pour it into the salad bowl. Now the salad leaves and the red chili and the mushrooms I am going to add to the beans. Now I will cut one tomato, remove the skin first and then cut it into small pieces and add it to this salad. To remove the skin of the tomato easily, keep it in hot water for some time. The skin will automatically come off, and then cut it into pieces and add it to the salad. Now let us add one onion also. I have added one onion, sliced it into lengthwise into long pieces. Now add some salt. Remember, there is salt in the beans, red beans, so add accordingly. Now squeeze one lemon, the juice, and add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it all up. I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar also because it gives a nice taste, khatta meetha. Now I am going to crush a few black pepper, freshly ground, coarsely ground, and I am going to add that. This is pepper. I am going to coarsely ground it manually and add it to the salad. Add pepper to the salad and mix it up thoroughly. Mix all this up thoroughly. Add coriander leaves also and mix this up thoroughly. Now refrigerate, keep in the fridge. It is a very, very healthy salad, very filling. Do make this salad. It is very simple to make, hardly takes 5 minutes to make. Only to cook the rajma it takes some time, but if you soak it overnight and then within 3-4 whistles it is ready. Do watch my video, like, comment and share it in case you feel like. This salad can be eaten as an in-between meal or before any meal. It is very yummy, very tasty, nutritious and very good. Very filling also. For Weight Watchers and diabetics, it is very healthy and good. You can substitute sugar for good, or you can add honey also if you want. It is up to you. Thank you for watching my video. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. In case you want to make it more healthy, you can add some sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds, or you can even coarsely ground some kajus and add that.